Middle Tennessee, George always told the truth, and these Georges get you a great deal here at Wilson County Motors, Mr. Bone.
That's right, Larry. For the month of December only, you can get any new vehicle in our stock for $1 down and $1 over invoice.
$1 gets me an any Impala or Malibu on the lot?
Absolutely, and you get to keep all the rebates, too.
LaCrosse and Lucerne?
$1 over invoice on everything.
The Regal, the Camaro, and even the new Cruze?
$1 down, $1 over invoice, no exception.
20 minutes east of the airport at Wilson County Motors.